How many multiples of 3 that are less than 1,000 are not divisible either by 9 or by 10? So less than 1,000 also means less than or equal to 999. So let's work through this carefully. Got multiples of different numbers and then the amount that we have. So number of multiples of 3 to start with. Well, every third number is going to be a multiple of 3, so we can do 999 divided by 3 to give 333. Good. Now I just need to subtract all the ones that are multiples of 9 as well, and multiples of 10 as well. So let's first of all look at the multiples of 9. Well, actually, that's going to be every ninth one. So I can do 999 divided by 9. It's going to give 111. So if I do 333 minus 111, that will give me all the multiples of 3 that are not multiples of 9. So I'm well on my way. Just now need to think about the multiples of 10. So the multiples of 10, well, I can take a look at 1,000 for this one. 1,000 divided by 10 is 100, but I don't actually want to consider 1,000, so it's actually going to be 99. However, I'm not subtracting the multiples of 10, I'm subtracting the multiples of 10 that are also multiples of 3. So I need to take a look at that, 3 and 10, which actually means I'm subtracting the multiples, I'm finding the multiples of 30. So that's going to be every third one of this 99, so 33. So I'm also going to need to subtract 33. However, there's just one last little thing to think about. I've subtracted the multiples of 3 that are multiples of 9 as well. I've subtracted the multiples of 3 that are multiples of 10 as well. But I've double counted because some of those multiples of 10 will also be multiples of 9. So finally, I need to look at the multiples of 9 and 10 and actually add that back on. So it's going to be every ninth one of these. So it's going to be 11. I've actually, when I do this, I've subtracted it twice, and so I just need to add that 11 back on. Right, so this is going to give, if I work on the first two terms, 222. And then over here, I'm going to be minusing 22. This gives us an answer of 200. There's other ways to think about it, but I think that's a pretty solid approach actually. And the way I did it was a bit more complicated. So I'm going to stick with this. It's just a, just got to be really careful with this part, I'd say. Well done.